So today I'm going to show you how you can create a logo with AI. Now let me show you a couple of examples. So we are here inside Midjourney. Now Midjourney costs $10 a month, and right now it is the most advanced, the most awesome AI image generation tool. So to use Midjourney, if you haven't used it so far, all you got to do is download the so-called Discord chat. It's called Discord, and I have different tutorials showing you how to do that. And once you do that, you are able to give Midjourney a couple of commands. So you sign up to Midjourney, and then you can just message the Midjourney bot. And the messaging is happening right here inside this message box. And first, let me show you a couple of experiments that I've done. So I was playing with different logo styles, and here you can see some of them. These were completely created with AI, and it's for one of my new brands called AI Spartan. And depending on what type of command I gave, it created different style of logos. And here we have also a very simplistic logo for a dog training company. Okay, now there are multiple logo styles, and one of the things that I love to use when creating images is to make robots talk to robots. So I open up Chat GPT, and Chat GPT has a free version. And what you can do with that is just ask it, okay, give me 10 logo styles, because I'm not familiar with all this logo design stuff. And give me also 10 famous logo designers which I could imitate. So that's what I asked ChatGPT. It gave me a couple of these abstract, pictorial, lettermark style logos and all that, which is okay. But I'm going to show you something that's even more simple. I'm going to give you the direct prompt that I'm using on these logos, okay? So I like to use circular logos, I mean, for this example at least. And then what I do is I just click / and I click on Imagine. And now in Midjourney, now you can type in the prompt, the magic phrase that you want. So let's start with this circular logo, and we can say whatever we want. So let's say I said dog training, but let's say our company is a construction company. So construction firm, vector, simple, modern, minimalist, white space and white background, because I want to add a white background so we can take that white background out, or that we can just simply use it as it is on a website. Okay, so I'm gonna just hit return and let's see what it's gonna create. Okay, now here you can see that it already created 4 different types of images for me. So if I would be creating all kinds of sheds in the woods, this would be an ideal logo. I think this looks already clean, simple, and good. This one is also nice. This one is, I would say this one is really good. And this I could see as a nice logo. It's kind of looking church-ish, like a church house thing. So I'm gonna go with this style. So let's say I like the 4th image here. So what can I do? Here we have a couple of buttons at the bottom. We have upscale, these are the U's, and I'm just upscaling the image that I would like. So I'm gonna upscale the number 4, or I can make variations on each of these images. So why not first create a variation on the image that I already like? Let's select number 4, click on V4, and now it's gonna create a variation for the 4th image. So there you have it. We have 4 different variations of this image. Let's see which one would fit. I would go with this one or this one. Yeah, the first one was good. Okay, let's select this one. number 2, upscale number 2. So this way we're gonna have an image that's bigger. That's what upscaling is. And now we have this image. Now, pretty nice. We could just right click or open in browser, and we can just take this image and right click on it. We can upscale it like this and right click on it, save this image, and bam, you have your logo. Almost. Because you probably want to add some text and so on, but we already have the structure and the basic starting point of a logo. You might be wondering, okay, that's pretty nice. You came up with this nice prompt, but what if I'd like to have more prompts? What if I'd like to add different variations to this image? Let me show you a hack, because I can show you the traditional way of, okay, adding a couple of styles and trying to figure out which style would work best, and that can give you nice results. But what if you could actually see how all these styles look, and what if you could see what other people are creating in terms of logos, and if you could just take those prompts from those awesome images that others created. So let me show you a quick shortcut for that. I'm gonna click on web. Now once I click on web, it will open up my Midjourney account. And here I can see just the images that I've created. I can open up this last one. And if I scroll down a bit to the bottom here, to the midsection, I can see these phrases that I've been using. And here we have circular logo, construction firm, vector, and so on. Now, notice this. If I click on it, if I click on circular logo, I'm going to be seeing a couple of other logos that other people created with this exact key phrase. Let's see, construction firm, vector, okay. And also, if I scroll down, I will see other people who have created similar logos that to what I've created. So let's say I like another one. Let's say I like, which one? Let's say I like this one. So I'm gonna click on this image, and I'm gonna scroll down and just see what other people have used. So this is the prompt. Give me a construction logo for a website that are clean and simple. Bam, there you have it. So we could take this logo and this prompt and make our own logo. And then just, let's take a look at this one. What's this? Logo, handyman, worker. Pretty simple. Okay, so this is how you get inspiration from others. How can we turn this into a logo? Well, we could just remove the white background, which is pretty simple. I'm going to use Canva for that. You can use any other app for that. We're going to add a text to it, and that's it. So I'm going to open this in my browser. Okay, it's uploading. We're going to add it here. We can scale this up a bit. And I'm going to click on Edit Photo. And we can just click on Remove Background. Okay, so now let's just add the text to our image. Now, as you can see, when I click on the image, it has too much empty space in it. So I can just make this smaller by cropping the image like this. We'll take out the empty white space or transparent space in this case. And I want to make enough space here. And let's add a text box. I'm going to call our company Unlimited Construction. Something like that. And now you have multiple choices. For a logo, you could align the text like this. Let's make it bold. Let's make this bold and make it, actually we can make it bigger like this. You could align it this way, or you could make the logo itself smaller and add it at the beginning of the word. So there are multiple variations, but I'm gonna stick to the previous one, this one. And what we can do is make one word bold and the other one not bold. So this would be a setup. Let's make the entire text bigger, like this. Okay, good. Now, you might notice that this has a different color than our text. So let's change the color of the bolded text. Click on the text, click on this color selection tool here, click on the plus sign, select the color selectioning tool, and now it's kind of this dark gray color. And what if we make the construction word a yellow, like this? Select the color, and which one? Unlimited construction. I think it would look better this way. And make the second text a bit smaller, like this. Letter spacing, then the line height can be adjusted right here. And there you have it. You have your very own logo designed with AI. Isn't that awesome? Okay, so now awesome is to make logos, but what's even much more awesome is to create videos with AI. Charge money for these types of videos, to get traffic with these types of videos, and build your business with AI. Now, if you want to know more about how you can create videos, animations, and get traffic to your website, then check out the AI Creators Club. The link is in the description of this video, and there I'll show you exactly how you can create not just logos, but also videos, and not just videos and logos, but also how to make money with these videos and logos and all kinds of AI cool stuff that AI can do. Okay, so check that out, and I'll see you in a couple of seconds in the next video.